This is a consonant sound. You can hear it at the beginning of the words right and wrong, and in the middle of the words sorry and arrange. Now watch my mouth while I'm saying this sound. My lips come out and I pull my tongue back. Okay, let's practice. Repeat after me. Right, wrong, sorry, arrange. Okay. For speakers of some languages, it may be difficult to tell the difference between this sound, and another consonant, Now listen carefully to the following examples and watch the shape of my mouth. For each example, I'll say the word with the sound first. Wrong, long, royal, loyal, misread, misled, pirate, pilot, pray, play. Now let's practice. Listen carefully and repeat after me. Wrong, long, royal, loyal, misread, misled, pirate, pilot, pray, play. Okay. Now in standard Southern English, you won't usually hear this sound at the end of a syllable or word. Listen to the following examples. Car, card, board, hear, heard. Okay, let's practice these. Listen and repeat. Car, card, board, hear, heard. Now you will hear this sound at the end of a word if the following word begins with a vowel. Listen to the following two sentences. This is my car. My car is blue. In the first sentence, this is my car, you don't hear the sound because it's at the end of the sentence. In the second example, my car is blue, the following word, is, begins with a vowel. So let's practice this. Car, car is, my car is, my car is blue. Okay.